Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful 4D lilac flowers that look like a real lilac potted plant. So let's get right to it. First, we need to make an easy DIY heat-resistant piping bag. You need 3 materials. Roll up the aluminum foil, one side closed. Place the foil into the piping bag. Make sure both fit snugly. Make sure the tip space isn't blocked. Fold both the piping bag and the foil together as tight as possible. Cut out a little tip. Make sure the space is still there. Using adhesive tape to fix the tip of the piping bag. Let's make the flower stain. In order to support the whole flower, isomalt is perfect to make the stain. Dye the stems green. The reason why I DIY foil piping bag was to make the stain the right size as much as possible. It's usually not easy with spoon. However, isomalt is very hot and I can still feel the heat coming out, so I recommend covering the foil piping bag with a dry rag while making the stains. Make sure the stems are double layers so it is stronger and not easy to break. Try making stems of different curves. If the tip is blocked, unblock it with a thin stick. Now the hard stems are done. In order to hold the buttercream petals tightly on the isomalt stain, I need something sticky and edible, so I thought of using marshmallow. Cut it into a small rectangle, trim around to maintain viscosity. Squeeze the marshmallow into one end to secure it. Trim again to make it as small as possible. Pipe the receptacle. In the process of doing this 4D lilac cake experiment, I encountered difficulties and gained some experience from my failures. I share these notes in the description box below for the reference of those who are interested in learning. Now we pipe the petals. Here I used 2 5-inch chiffon cakes, each with 1 layer. I used offset spatula to go around the cake to make the texture. Sift some chocolate powder on the top to look like soil. These buttercream lilacs had been chilled in the fridge and were firm enough to use. Pop the flowers into the cake as creative as you want. In order to fill the empty space between the flowers, I make a bunch of small leaves. Pipe some leaves onto the stems to fill the rest of the space. Now the last part added the finishing touch to the whole cake. Just cut off a little bit of the piping bag to use. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please click like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you next time.